I reached my hand over in...
Serio?
So I'm putting the G35 on hold right now. Just got some parts for the BMW. Hoping to finally get this thing up and running so I can get it fixed as well. Got the pulley, the one that snapped and broke into a bajillion pieces on us last time. Went ahead and got an aluminum one, so that will never happen again. And I got a new fan clutch. I was told I should probably go with the electric fan conversion, but with this car having so many unknowns, me only driving it maybe 10 minutes, and it overheating, and that's all the knowledge I have on how this car will perform. I wanted to just go the cheaper route and just get something to get this thing on the road again. But got my man Ronnie here, pulled up in the MR2 today, and yeah, hopefully we get this thing running and driving today. So stay tuned. Sheesh. It looks disgusting.
Still have to remove all of that.
I know you're gonna get me right. Appreciate you, Ronnie. This was right on time, so I was just about to show you guys. All of what I'm gonna get out of this thing is out for right now. I'm just gonna detail it out. Actually, let me get on in here, show y'all how grungy it is. These microfibers. These are interior pieces. This goes like to the back of the seat like that, like at the bottom with bolts and stuff. This is that collector's item. Yeah. Yeah. This is what we like as right now. I'll go ahead, detail it, and we'll be right back, just like that. You literally just, I can't believe it. I was about to vacuum this thing out. I reached my hand over and...
Serio?
Pookie pipe, bro. That's insane.
That's crazy.
Oh, that's crazy, brother. Wow. Wow. It makes sense now why it's like so busy in this car.
Yeah, and the fake money.
The fake money, wow. That's insane.
That's the type of people that be going through takeovers.
You're not wrong. Say that one more time for the people in the back.
That's the type of people that be going to the takeovers, bro. That's crazy.
That's insane. This might be the thumbnail. This might be the thumbnail. Wow. That is... Say no to drugs, kids. Jesus. All right, man. Back to the whole finger snap thing. We'll get right back to that. Shit. Voila. That's what we looking like. Clean, lightly detailed on the driver's side. Still got the little toothbrush I'm using to get in the crevices with. I just remembered that this thing opens, so I forgot to vacuum out in here and clean this out. But everything else, minus the little corners, has been all detailed up in the center. This is all I think I'm gonna do today. Let me get in here. I haven't cleaned off mirrors here. This one, for some reason, still got like streaks and shit, but we'll get to that. There was a lot of dirt, grime, and stuff all around here. This was super dirty, probably like this one is. Yeah, all like that. Good gunk. Cleaned all him up. Oh, missed a spot. But yeah, you can imagine the whole thing being like that, but 10 times worse. All clean now. Clean in there. Yeah, man, this is it for today. Still got a lot of work to do on this thing, but I appreciate you guys checking this one out. There'll be a couple more to this series. I almost forgot. Thank you so much for sticking around this long. I got something to show you. Who? You? Yeah, you. Right here. Come on. So, had my boy Ronnie come over. Who was working on this thing. Bro, we made the most shocking discovery. Bum, bum, bum. I'm hurt. Why did I do that? I just keep hurting myself. That, if you don't know already, is a blown head gasket. I would pull this all the way out, but I only got one hand, so you can see it quite milky right there. This motor is fucking toast. So I'm gonna take all the parts that I invested into this motor, put them on a new motor, and probably be manual swapping this thing. That means the spark plugs, that means the water pump, the fucking, what else did I get for this thing? The fan clutch, the new pulley that I just spent fucking $90 on. It's the old fan clutch right there, or yeah, fan clutch. I always say clutch fan, and it'd be, anyway. Yeah, man, really bummed about this, but also excited because, at least from what I'm hearing, it's not too expensive to do the swap on these things, and then I would have a much more fun car. Although it would take away a little bit of the practicality, it would boost the value of it. So I'm looking at it from that perspective. I'm also still going to be able to have a lot of fun with it. And who knows? It's kind of cut into the budget for it, but I may still do like a turbocharger, supercharger build if I get bored with it. But that's later on down the line. Got to get this thing actually fucking running first. But that ends these chronicles for right now. So this car is going to get put on hold. I'll come back to finish cleaning out this thing tomorrow. And yeah, who knows? This car runs really well, so I might actually invest some money and get it running proper and sell it for a good little profit. Or I could just not do that and flip it hella quick and get it all the way off my hands and still make a little good profit. But yeah, again, that's it for now. I gotta put all this shit back in the car because it ain't going nowhere else, and get back at it tomorrow. Thanks for subbing if you haven't already. Do it right now because I'm gonna come and get you in your sleep if you don't, and I'll see you on the next one.